Helping a child who is struggling with mental health concerns can be really difficult, especially if we ourselves have not struggled with mental health, and it can be difficult to empathize. So, we're going to go through some tips that are really easy and simple ways that you can help address the concerns that the child is experiencing. Some simple ways to help a child with mental health concerns is to be patient, create a safe environment for them where they feel safe expressing their feelings. Providing consistency in a child's life is a really simple way to support children who are struggling with mental health concerns and to work on building a positive and trusting relationship with them. When you connect before you correct, it's really working to build that positive and trusting relationship with that child because they will be much more responsive to any correction that you provide. After you've made that connection with a child, it can be easier to help them calm down and de-escalate when they may be experiencing a crisis situation. When you are de-escalating a situation, it's important to remember and look for triggers that may be causing the child to escalate and remove that trigger if at all possible. It's also really important to be an effective listener and offer them options to help them cope and de-escalate with you. It is really important to regulate your own emotions and have a calm demeanor, so you could use a lower tone of voice, a lower voice volume, because your reaction can cause the child to continue to escalate further. It can cause them to feel shame and guilt and even have more anxiety around their behavior. When you are working with a child who is struggling with mental health concerns and they are in a stressful situation, it's also really important to validate their experiences. You're really showing the child that you are attentive to them, that you care, and that you really want to know what they are needing and what they're wanting in the moment, and that you are going to help them work through this together. So we all know that everybody has basic human needs like food and shelter, but another really important one to keep in mind with children is safety and security. So assessing to see, are they hungry? Are they tired? Are they not feeling safe where they're at right now? It can be really hard to manage your emotions when your basic needs aren't even met. If their basic needs aren't met, it can be really helpful to offer them 3 choices when you're helping them to address a concern. It also gives them some power in the situation and control to make the choice that they feel comfortable with. And finally, one of the most important things in supporting kids who are struggling with mental health concerns is to create a positive support team. When doing this, it's important to have open communication with the parents and also with other staff who are working with that child so that everybody's on the same page and has a common goal that they're working towards.